Hi there, students. Entourage. This is the group of people who accompany somebody. So the CEO of the company arrived with his entourage. His entourage might be his secretary, a couple of lawyers, an accountant, his security guard, and his chauffeur. Okay, so the entourage, the group of people who go around with somebody, the attendants, the associates, the followers. The rock star walked into the hotel with his entourage of fans, and the doorman kicked the fans out. Okay, so entourage, a group of attendants, a retinue. When the king arrives, he's followed by, or he's accompanied by, an entourage. His guards, his personal valet, his driver, all of the people who go with it, all of the attendants. Yeah, these are the attendants that surround an important person. This is their retinue. Let's see, you can use entourage to talk about somebody's environment. So this is a slightly different meaning. In the upper class entourage that he grew up in, it's not surprising that he has views in this way. More commonly, it's the group of people who travel with or work for an important person. So Mr. Trump arrived at the courtroom with his entourage of friends and lawyers. Yeah, the people who travel with him, the people who are around an important person. So you have musicians, famous people have an entourage, perhaps with other singers and technicians. And he was followed by an entourage of loyal courtiers. These are called escorts. This is a cortege. It's a group of people. This is the court that goes with them. The attendants, the associates. But then again, as I said, the surroundings, you could use it like this as well. It's less common. So I went to the Black Forest and the entourage was really beautiful. The surroundings, it's such a beautiful entourage that I wanted to stay. Okay, so the entourage, the atmosphere, the surroundings of a place. If he was brought up in a very poor area of the city, and it's surprising that his entourage has not affected the way that he views life. A star is very often disdainful of the entourage of admirers that follow somebody around. So it's the group of assistants, servants, the other people who travel with somebody, accompanied by an entourage of police officers providing security. It's the staff, the retinue, the company. Yeah, all of the people around a person. And then the environment, it was a house with a beautiful entourage of trees and greenery. Okay, so the surroundings again. Okay, but the entourage, the group of people escorting somebody, yeah, the cortege, the attendants, the followers, the court. She always has an entourage of admiring young men with her. Okay, so the president introduced his entourage to the Queen. She was a rich woman and was always surrounded by an entourage of friends. Okay, so the entourage, the people round them. Okay, formality. This word sounds quite posh. I would give it a. I think I'm only going to give it a 6 in formality, but it sounds quite a posh word. Yeah, I think you need to be posh to have an entourage. But yes, very very definitely. And then as to origin, it comes from French entourage, entourer, to surround, entour, autour, around something. The entour, the surroundings, les entours, the alentour, the bits around something. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Entourage.